guys, FinalGirl back at you with another burp compilation. My one true calling. Good burp, Harley. Damn. That was a good one.
I wish I had a dog to blame every time I burped.
Bitch, it was in the other room. Harley, I hope that was... Did you throw up? Be honest. Why do you always lick your chops like right near my mic? Don't. Like... Ew. What? Why? Why would you do that, Harley? Why would you do something like that? Aw, Anonymous, thank you so much for the gift sub. Thank you. I'm gonna pretend that that was because Harley burped. Like, because that would just make my life if every time Harley burped, people got really excited. So thank you for supporting this Harley burp stream. I really appreciate you, Anonymous. You good boy, Harley. Oh, good burp, Harley. There's another one for the burp compilation, right? Ew, that was quite the burp. That was quite the burp, Harley. Blech. I think so, Ferret. I think so. He's just giving me content. Thank you for your content, Harley. That's gonna go into burp compilation. Yeah. Like 3 burps. Yeah, and that's over 6 months. That's less than a burp a month. That's half of a burp a month, Ferret. That's not very many. He's classy. He's not just gonna burp left and right like some street dog. What are you taking for? Huh, Harley? He doesn't care about my bullshit.